Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you guys how I put in box braids on myself, and we'll just get right into the video. So this is the hair that I'm going to be using. It's called Expression. I just cut the hair in two because I really wanted it long, and I go ahead and stretch out the hair. This is how I stretch it out because I don't want the edges or the ends of the hair to be like really sharp. So when I'm done doing that, I just brush the hair and put a little bit of hair moisturizer or cream into the extension so it's easy to handle and it's a little bit shiny. So I'm going to be showing you guys two methods, and I go ahead and use the jam. This is just like a conditioning gel, just so my roots are a little bit intact, sort of. And yeah, so this is the first method. Let me just apologize in advance if my explanation isn't on point, but then I hope just by watching you guys will be able to get what I was doing. So this first one, what I do is take 1/3 of the hair and then loop it just like so. So this is how it looks. I have one smaller section and then I have another bigger section. So for the big section, I separate it in two whilst like holding onto the loop at the top, and I put the middle section that I created from one of the big sections and I put that on top of my natural hair. So whilst one hand, so in this case my right hand, is holding onto the loop and my natural hair, I'm using my other hand to try and separate my own natural hair into three and attach it to the braids so I can really grip my roots and braid. I'm really sorry if my explanation doesn't really make sense, but I hope just by watching you guys will be able to understand. I know I already said that, but still. So this is the first method. So usually I would prefer finishing the entire braiding before snipping, but I don't think I'll finish all that in the recording. So this is just how I'm going to be snipping the extra hair that wasn't able to go into the braid, just so the braids look a little bit neat. So this is how it looks, and I'll just go ahead and show you guys the same method again in case you didn't see it the first time. So just the same thing, I use one hand to secure the loop and put the middle one on top of my natural hair. And this time with my left hand, I'm trying to use my left hand to separate my natural hair into three and pick it up with my right hand and then add my natural hair to the extension while gripping the root with my left hand. Hopefully my explanation makes sense, but yeah. On to the second method. All I do is when I take a little bit of the extension, I don't loop, I don't do anything. I just put that on my natural hair and then use one side and just take it round over my natural hair and the other extension, just like so. I just use that one piece and I just go around about twice or three times depending on how secure you think it is, and then I bring that in the middle between the other extension I didn't use and my natural hair, and I just start braiding just like that. So I'm just doing the second method again so you guys can see how I did it the first time. So this is how the hair was looking. I wasn't able to complete everything while recording because I had to go somewhere, and I ended up finishing the rest of it in the car. But anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't, and please share. And thanks so much for watching. Bye.